ఇక డీటెయిల్స్ చూస్తే రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. ప్రస్తుతం లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
During all these years we have produced and followed one of the finest constitution in the world. We are the world's largest democracy with a number of democratic institutions which have stood the test of time. We have established the rule of law, ensured the freedom of press and upheld the independence of judiciary. We have one of the best civil services, highly professional armed forces, a strong civil society and a vibrant media. Our legislatures have passed some good laws and held reasoned debate on issues facing the common people. Amidst all these achievements, however, our failures are also stark. We have many social and economic problems that adversely affect our growth as a nation. We need to make concerted efforts to overcome these challenges. Economic regeneration of our country must engage our undivided attention. Today, it makes all of us happy that Indian economy has emerged as the 6th largest economy in the world. In our march towards economic development, we need to ensure that the fruits of development also reach those who are living at the margins of the society. Honorable members, the Quit India movement achieved its objective long back. It is now time for all of us to join hands together to ensure that the challenges being faced by the people also quit India forever. लोकतंत्र के इस मंदिर में बैठने वाले हम सब लोगों का यह पावन कर्तव्य है कि हम राष्ट्र निर्माण कार्य में रचनात्मक और सकारात्मक रूप से अपना योगदान दें। इस अवसर पर मैं इसी महती सभा को प्रत्येक सदस्य को आह्वान करना चाहूंगा कि हम इस पावन कर्तव्य को प्रति सदैव जागरूक रहे और आम आदमी के हितों में आम आदमी का हितों की पूर्ति के लिए दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर कार्य करें। Honorable members, on this occasion I would like to recall the words of Mahatma Gandhi, who said, I quote, "I shall work for an India in which the poorest shall feel that it is their country in whose making they have an effective voice, an India in which there shall be no high class or low class of people, an India in which all communities shall live in perfect harmony." Unquote. It is our bounden duty to collectively build the India of Mahatma Gandhi's dreams. This shall be the best tribute we can pay to Mahatma Gandhi and all those who participate in the Quit India movement. On this solemn occasion, we pay our humble and respectable homage to the martyrs who have given their lives and also to those who suffered untold sufferings for the cause of our freedom. May the do or die spirit of Quit India movement permeate our lives towards upholding the unity and integrity of the nation. I request honorable members to raise in their places and observe a silence as a mark of respect to the sacred memory of the martyrs. Papers are to be laid on the table. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri. The election process. You send it to me, I'll get it corrected. You send it to me, please, sir. Yeah.
I want to correct one fact that you stated which is wrong. And that is that you said India's GDP is the 6th largest in the world, which is actually 3rd largest according to purchasing power parity.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers listed against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri General Retired V.K. Singh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Krishna Pal.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर अपने नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री उपेंद्र कुशवाहा।
मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के
श्री बाबुल सुप्रियो।
So with your kind permission, I rise to lay papers listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Is it Babu Supriyo only?
Yes, sir.
Sri Vijay Sampla.
माननीय सभापति जी, आज की कार्यसूची में मत संख्या नंबर 6 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Dr. Satyapal Singh.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha, at its sitting held on the 7th of August 2018, 1. Adopted a motion further extending the time for presentation of the report of the Joint Committee on the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement amendment, second bill 2015 up to the last day of the budget session 2019. 2. Had agreed to the amendments made by the Rajya Sabha to the requisitioning and acquisition of immovable property amendment bill 2018 passed by the Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on the 18th of July 2018. 3. Passed the appropriation number 4 bill 2018 and 4th passed the appropriation number 5 bill 2018. The Speaker has certified that the appropriation number 4 and 5 bills 2018 are money bills within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy each of the appropriation bills number 4 and 5 2018 on the table.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav. Shri Jairam Ramesh.
Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare on the functioning of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Thank you. Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development. Dr. Satyanarayana Jatia.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं युवक कार्यक्रम और खेल मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2018-19 पर समिति के 303वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित मानव संसाधन विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 306वें प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Industry, Sri Ramachandra Prasad Singh.
Sir, I rise to present the 289th and 290th reports of the Standing Committee on Industry as listed against my name.
Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Sri Harnath Singh Yadav.
कार्यावली में तो था नहीं है सर। मुझे मालूम कहाँ है?
भर दीजिए।
बोल दो। I lay on the table. ये यहाँ से बोल दो ना। I lay on the table.
तैयार होके आना है।
I lay on the table से बोल दो यहाँ से। यहाँ से बोल दो। यहाँ से।
ठीक है। Bear him नया है।
I lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture.
Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Sri Mahesh Poddar.
Sir, with your permission, I raise to lay on the table a copy of each in Hindi and English of the 6 reports of the Standing Committee on Finance as against my name in today's list of business.
Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, Srimati Kahkashan Parvin.
सभापति महोदय, आपके अनुमति से विभाग संबंधी सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति 2017-18 के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति हिंदी और अंग्रेजी सभापटल पर रखती हूं। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्रालय से संबंधित ग्रामीण बीपीओ का विस्तार और उसके समक्ष चुनौतियों विषय का 53वां प्रतिवेदन, सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्रालय से संबंधित संगीत और नाटक प्रभाग के कार्यक्रम की समीक्षा पर समिति के 49वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्गत सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई के संबंध में 54वां प्रतिवेदन सभापटल पर रखती हूं।
Thank you. Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Dr. Banda Prakash.
Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I raise to lay on the table a copy of each English and Hindi of the 40th report 41st report, 42nd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour.
Second, statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Dr. Banda Prakash. One more.
Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I raise to lay on the table a copy of English and Hindi 29th report of the committee and 23rd report on demand for the grants 2017-18 of the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Another 32nd report of the committee and 25th report of the demands for grant 2017-18 of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Thank you.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gases, Sri Narayan Lal Pancharia.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 25वां प्रतिवेदन पटल पर रखता हूं।
और एक स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन नेचुरल गैस, श्री नारायण लाल पंचारिया।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध क्रम संख्या 1 व 2 में अंतिम की गई कार्रवाई विवरण हिंदी व अंग्रेजी संस्मरण की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट, डॉक्टर नरेंद्र यादव।
सर, I rise to lay on the table a copy each of the 54th, 55th, 56th, 57th, 58th, 59th, 60th, 61st and 62nd reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2017-18 as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources, Sri Harshavardhan Singh Dungarpur.
Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table the 22nd and 23rd reports of the Standing Committee on Water Resources 2017-2018 as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Reports of the Committee on Empowerment of Women, Srimati Vandana Chauhan.
So with your permission, I rise to lay on the table the 12th report of the Committee on Empowerment of Women on the action taken by the government on recommendations contained in the 8th report on the subject of empowering women through self-help groups, and 13th report of the Committee on the action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 10th report on the subject women in detention and access to justice.
One more, ma'am, statement on the Committee of Empowerment of Women.
So with your permission, sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the statement showing final action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in Chapter 1 of the 9th report on the Committee on Empowerment of Women on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 6th report on the subject empowerment of tribal women.
Report of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit, Sri Mahesh Poddar.
Sir, with your kind permission, I lay the 28th report, Hindi and English version of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit, 16th Lok Sabha, as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Contained in the 44th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology on status of cable television digitization and interoperability of set-top boxes and status of implementation of recommendations and observations contained in the 49th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology 17-18 on review of the functioning of Song and Drama Division of the Ministry of Information Broadcasting.
Sri K.J. Alphonse.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to make statements regarding status of implementation of recommendations / observations contained in the 255th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on the action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 248th report on demands for grants 2017-18 pertaining to the Ministry of Tourism shown against my name in today's revised list of business.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 12th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on the subject recruitment, structure and capacity building of the IFS cadre, including need for a separate UPC exam for cadre, middle career entry and in-service training and orientation. status and implementation of recommendations contained in the 15th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on demands for grants 2017-18 pertaining to the Ministry of External Affairs, and status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 16th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on the subject of Indo-Pak relations.
Sri Anant Kumar Hegde.
Rise to lay the statements regarding the status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in the 32nd and 33rd report of the Standing Committee on Labour pertaining to the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship.
Sri Jayant Sinha.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 257th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demands for grants 2018-19 pertaining to the Ministry of Civil Aviation.
Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bhamre.
I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 19th and 28th report of Standing Committee on Defence on demand for grant 2016-17 on General Defence Budget, Civil Expenditure of Ministry of Defence, demand number 20, Defence Pension, demand number 21, and demands for grants on Army, Navy and Air Force, demand number 22 pertaining to the Ministry of Defence.
Dr. Satyapal Singh.
Chairman, sir, in pursuance of the directions of the Honorable Chairman, Rajya Sabha dated September 28, 2004, under Rule 266 of the Rules of Procedure and the Conduct of Business in the Council of States, I intend to make the statement on the status of the implementation of the recommendations contained in the 295th report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development. The Standing Committee on HRD examined the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 284th report on the subject, issues and challenges before higher education sector in India, and presented their 295th report in Rajya Sabha, which was laid simultaneously in Lok Sabha on 5th January 2018. The status of implementation of this report has already been sent to Rajya Sabha Secretariat. I herewith lay the status of implementation action taken note on the recommendations made in chapter 3rd of the 295th report on the table of this House. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Motions for the election of Deputy Chairman. There are 9 motions for the election of the Deputy Chairman. As per the procedure, the members who have given notice may now move them one by one, and in each such case, the motion is also to be seconded by the seconder thereof. Sri Ramachandra Prasad Singh.
सभापति महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री हरिवंश को राज्यसभा का उपसभापति चुना जाए.
Sri Ramdas Atware.
Chairman sir, I second the motion.
Right.
Thank you.
Sri Satish Chandra Misra.
That Shri B.K. Hari Prasad be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Thank you. Sri Vivek K. Tankha. Srimati Misa Bharati. प्रस्ताव रखना मां.
प्रस्ताव रखती हूँ बीके हरि प्रसाद जी का.
Sri Y.S. Chaudhary.
Propose Mr. B.K. Hari Prasad.
No. You second.
I second the motion.
Right. Thank you. Sri Anand Sharma.
Sir, I propose that Shri B.K. Hari Prasad be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Sri Bhunesh Karita.
I second the motion, sir.
Thank you. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav.
Sir, I propose that Sri B.K. Hari Prasad be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Sri Ahmad Ashfaq Karim. Srimati Vandana Chavan.
To the motion that Shri B.K. Hari Prasad be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Sri D. Kupendra Reddy. Sri Amit Anil Chandra Shah.
करता हूं को राज्यसभा का उपसभापति चुना जाए.
श्री राम विचार नेतम. श्री संजय राउत.
सभापति महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री हरिवंश को राज्यसभा का उपसभापति चुना जाए.
श्रीमती कहकशन परवीन।
महोदय, मैं इस प्रस्ताव का समर्थन करती हूँ।
सरदार सुखदेव सिंह दिमसा।
Sir, I propose the name of Shri Harivansh be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
श्रीमती विजिला सत्यनाथ।
Chairman, sir, I second the motion.
Honorable members, before I put the motions moved to vote, I may like to inform the House that the motions moved will now be taken up for adoption in the same sequence in which they have been moved, and at any stage, if a motion is carried, the remaining motions will become infructuous and will not be put to the vote of the House. I shall now put the motion moved by Sri Ramachandra Prasad Singh and duly seconded by Sri Ramdas Atwale to vote. The question is that Sri Harivansh be chosen as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Division. Lobby is to be cleared, no? Lobby is to be cleared. Silence to be maintained. Let the members go to their respective seats. अपना अपना जगह पे जाके स्थान ग्रहण करिए. Please, Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, you are not understanding, your voice is reaching the other side. This is not the way. Before the division, lobby is to be cleared. और लोग अपना अपना जगह पे जाके निर्धारित जगह पे बैठना, अदरवाइज वोट को काउंट में नहीं आएगा. नियम के अनुसार 3 मिनट वेट करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैं डिवीजन बेल The Secretary General will switch the division bell. Is there time? अभी है तो थोड़ा टाइम और. Secretary General will now explain the voting procedure.
Honorable members, for your convenience, I shall explain the voting procedure by automatic vote recording system. It may please be noted that each member has been provided with an integrated microphone and voting console containing 4 buttons: P for present, A for ayes, O for abstain, and N for noes. There is also a separately situated security button in red, which is vote activation button, provided on the language selector. A red LED vote now lighting during the voting period indicates that the voting functions are operational and active. To record a vote, a member has to press the vote activation button and one of the voting buttons of his or her choice simultaneously. Each voting button has an assigned LED indicating the correct and valid voting function as long as the button is pressed together with the vote activation button. The voting process starts with a musical sound on large screen hall display in the 2 corners of the chamber. Each member has to keep the voting button as well as vote activation button pressed simultaneously for 10 seconds. That is.
ఇక రాజ్యసభలో మోషన్ల ద్వారా డిప్యూటీ చైర్మన్ ఎన్నిక ప్రారంభమైంది. ఎన్డీఏ అభ్యర్థిగా హరివంశ్ నారాయణ్ సింగ్ అలాగే విపక్షాల ఉమ్మడి అభ్యర్థిగా ఎంపీ బీకే హరిప్రసాద్